I didn't press record. Oh my god! Yo, this happened to me once and I was like, oh! I don't want no So, finished the happy birthdays. Now I'm about to blow up these ones. I started with one and girl, I was out of breath, honey, but we're gonna see. I don't know how much balloons are in here. Hopefully it's enough to make the bed look like full, you know? These ones have like confettis in them, which is cute. I think I'm just gonna try to blow them as huge as I can. I don't want to blow them any larger because, girl, if this thing pops, it's going to be confetti everywhere and I don't have time. But yeah, for this photo shoot, it's pretty simple. I'm just doing my makeup. I don't even have my nails done. I'm supposed to get them done this weekend when I go home. But I did want to take some pictures for my birthday, you know, just to feel good. And it's 12 now. I got class at 1:35 till 4:20. I'm still deciding if I'm gonna go to my last class because I feel like all we do in that class is just talk about nothing. So I might not go just so I have time when I come, like, to be home to do something else until it's time for my time for work. I have work today, like from 4:35 to 7:30. And I'm telling you, like, I got these. I don't know if I mentioned earlier. I got these for like $12.99. So I got like 15 balloons. All those happy birthdays that I showed you. The 22 and then the 2 little star balloons. And I actually wanted to get the 22 with helium, right? But turns out all the Dollar Trees, like, for some reason they don't have helium. It's them. They haven't had helium since like last year. Like every time I go there, their machine says we're out of helium. So I tried the Hallmark store because there's one next to it and they're out of helium too. And I'm just like, I'm not about to buy a helium tank that I'm not gonna use again just to blow up 2 balloons. So honestly, I'm just gonna blow them with air and we're just gonna hold them because I don't have time. I'm just glad my room actually matches the aesthetic because my pillows are golden white and black, and I do have a pink comforter. My pillows, which are in the corner because I have so much, are pink and white as well with some grays. And I might take those down because I'm planning on putting the little I don't know what you call these. But I plan on putting it on the wall, so I might take them off and put them somewhere else in the meantime. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. Or I might just cover it with it. I don't know. We'll see how it looks. But yeah. So now I have the pink ones, which are so cute. y'all. So this is what I have so far. Don't mind my boots. I just took them off as soon as I came in. But I have these so far, and as you can see, I feel like it's gonna turn out pretty good. Once I put everything together, once I get back from work and I have my friend help me just put everything in the right placements, I think it should turn out fine. I'm just gonna probably like move those out of the way because, you know, they're not like organized, so they don't look that cute right there. But yeah, this should look good. I'm excited. Hey you guys, so in the background I forgot to record the whole process. My girl Mia is here with me, like I told y'all earlier, and I cannot come in this. She don't want to be seen, y'all. But we set it up and it's so cute. I already have my camera on here. I'm gonna just record with my phone. No, this is the little part that I was talking about. Y'all, I'm so... Once again. I'm so mad. What the hell?
Oh my gosh.
So you guys, I recorded this earlier, but I wasn't recording. And earlier I was recording and I deleted the damn footage.
Tori.
By accident.
What do you be doing?
I'm like, today is not a good day. But yeah, so I set it up and I think it turned out really good. Mia helped me with it. Y'all remember Mia from spring break?
Yes.
And it looks good, right? I got the 22 on the floor, good. And I'm just gonna change. My outfit's pretty simple. It's just like a long dress. I think I've worn it before. I don't think. It's just a simple dress, but yeah, it's simple cute. I feel like it's gonna be cute. The picture's gonna come out cute. I'm a Photoshop and crop.
Child,
yeah. When I do my makeup, you know, let me show you the light. It's alright, but yeah, I'm excited. I guess let me make a video for my freaking thing. Alright, you guys, so we're in the process of doing it. I already changed into my second outfit. Probably should have recorded it, but we were like taking pictures, so it was kind of hard. But like I changed into this because I wanted it to like be a little simple but cute outfit. So I got like a hoodie on and some jeans, and I just have the balloons all over the bed. I will be inserting like pictures into the video to show you guys how it actually turned out, and you guys can actually like add me on my social medias down below, because I think I might just post them on Instagram, but we'll see. But yeah, so far it's looking really good, y'all. Like Mia is doing her thing, like period. So cute. They're so cute. Like for $23 this came out really good. Like really good. Hey you guys, so these are the pictures that I was able to take in this process. I hope you guys like them. All I did was crop them so they are unedited, and I feel like they turned out pretty good. So let me know in the comments, and I'll also include all the equipment that I used for this shoot. Yeah, so make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.